Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
Biophilic design is explored, showcasing how to seamlessly blend the beauty of nature with indoor spaces. This video provides practical tips and inspiring examples for creating a harmonious connection between the indoors and the outdoors. Define biophilic design and its core principles. Explain the psychological and physiological benefits of incorporating nature into indoor spaces. Showcase how biophilic design can enhance well-being, productivity, and creativity. Introduce natural elements like plants, wood, and stone. Highlight the use of natural light and ventilation. Emphasize the importance of visual connection to nature through windows and views. Inspiring examples of biophilic design. Showcase stunning examples of homes, offices, and public spaces that seamlessly integrate biophilic design elements. Focus on specific design features such as living walls, green roofs, and water features. Illustrate how these examples create a harmonious connection with the natural world. Provide actionable tips for incorporating biophilic design elements into any space, regardless of size or budget. Offer suggestions for selecting appropriate plants, materials, and design features. Emphasize the importance of personalizing your space with elements that resonate with you. Recap the key benefits of biophilic design. Encourage viewers to embrace the beauty of nature and bring it into their lives. Leave viewers with a sense of inspiration and motivation to create their own biophilic spaces. A spacious conservatory, filled with lush greenery and vibrant plants. A stylish wicker sectional sofa set, featuring light beige/cream upholstery and warm ochre/golden wicker frames, is arranged in a relaxed configuration. The sofa is complemented by plush mustard yellow and burnt orange throw pillows. Adjacent to the seating area is a round woven coffee table in a similar light brown/gold tone. A decorative patterned rug anchors the seating area, reflecting a beige and gold color palette. The room's walls are adorned with a classic brickwork, allowing ample natural light to flood in through expansive, large windows with dark metal frames, showcasing a verdant garden outside. A spacious, modern living room with a dramatic concrete aesthetic. A large, living wall of lush greenery covers a section of the concrete wall. The plants are varied types and sizes, creating a dense, vibrant display. The living room features a modular sectional sofa in a muted grayish-green, accented by tan and burnt orange throw pillows. A low, light-colored coffee table sits in the center. The flooring is light brown hardwood. The room has exposed concrete walls and dark, wood-paneled built-in shelving units with recessed lighting. A large, light-filled interior courtyard, hyperrealistic in style. A long, shallow pool with a fountain features in the center, reflecting the surrounding greenery. The pool is bordered by wide, light brown wooden decking that extends throughout the space. The courtyard is surrounded by lush vegetation. Various tropical plants, palm trees, and ferns create a vibrant, tropical atmosphere. Bright orange and red flowers are nestled amongst the greenery. The walls and supports are a muted gray concrete, showcasing clean lines and modern architecture. Large windows, framed in dark metal, offer glimpses into other areas, giving light and visual interest. A tranquil, modern Japanese garden landscape featuring a koi pond with cascading waterfalls nestled within a contemporary home's outdoor living space. The koi pond, with its smooth, dark water, is lined with large, flat, weathered river stones. Colorful koi fish swim amongst the water's surface, reflecting the surrounding vegetation. The pond's design flows naturally into the home's extended living space, which is visible through expansive glass sliding doors. The home's structure showcases a contemporary style, with a mix of stone and wood accents. The stonework appears as a natural, earthy palette of warm grays and browns. A modern, urban balcony with a lush vertical garden. Hyperrealistic. Wooden deck flooring with a light brown tone. Gray modular seating area with cushions. Plants and flowers in various planters, creating a vibrant green wall and decorative arrangements along the balcony railing. Gray planters with flowers line the railing, framing the view. A glass railing offers a clear view of a city skyline comprised of tall, light gray/beige apartment buildings, with a roadway and trees below. The sky is a light, overcast gray. Natural light streams through a large glass sliding door to the interior, creating a reflection on the glass. A spacious, open-plan living area with high ceilings and large windows, showcasing a modern, minimalist design. The space features a light beige sectional sofa with cream-colored throw pillows and a wooden coffee table. The flooring is light-toned wood. A neutral color palette is used throughout, with accents of warm browns and beige. The walls are a light gray, and plants, including large banana plants, are strategically placed throughout. A large, open-concept area with a kitchen and dining space on the lower level, visible through large sliding glass doors, leading to outdoor spaces, including a swimming pool. The upper level and kitchen offer views of lush greenery outside. A spacious, light-filled living room with a large bay window overlooking a lush garden. The room features a warm, neutral color palette of beige, light tans, and browns. The style is contemporary farmhouse, emphasizing natural materials like wood and woven textures. The space is defined by exposed wooden beams and a high vaulted ceiling. Large sliding glass doors offer access to a patio area. The centerpiece is a sectional sofa in cream-colored linen fabric, alongside a concrete coffee table. Textured woven poofs and decorative items in similar earth tones complete the aesthetic. Focus on natural light and the interplay of textures and materials. Impressionistic rendering, but with a focus on highly detailed surfaces. Include a large, lush indoor plant and shelves with minimalist pottery and vases. A spacious, bright, and airy interior design featuring a large, lush vertical garden wall. Hyperrealistic rendering of a modern, minimalist living area. Warm, earthy tones dominate, with rich wood accents and concrete floors. The vertical garden wall is composed of various greenery, with different plants, creating a vibrant and dense aesthetic. The wall is mounted on wooden shelving units. On the floor, a round wooden coffee table sits amidst various potted plants. A gray sofa sits in the foreground, and a few small wooden side tables are also visible. Large windows provide natural light and a view of a lush outdoor garden/environment.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:4 Design channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.